guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and share my video. In this video, we'll be demonstrating different ways you can style your Afro bulk hair to achieve a stunning look in seconds. Watch up to the end. So guys, as you can see, the styles are very simple. You can style on your own, and it takes a very short time, as you can see in the video. So stay tuned for more styles that are coming up.
was it the same for you? Trust me. Now you love me is a power. Stay here 24 hours, baby. Think about me. And I'll give you everything you wanted. I'm still in love with all your perfect body. I can still love. I'm still in love with all your perfect body. I can still love. I'm still in love. I'm always thinking about the love and all the things we had. We're up, we're down, but we're never giving up. A killer's on the way, ain't find me. I will do the same for you, trust me. They love me is a power. Stay here 24 hours, baby. Think about me. And I'll give you everything you wanted. I'm still in love with all your perfect body. I can still love. I'm still in love with all your perfect body. I can still love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still
I got no choice, no choice, and I'm here. I want to let go, 'cause I need it. I never felt this, it's not good for my heart. Hey, I want to run away and don't look back, go to a hiding place. I just want to free myself alive and never be the same girl. But I can't escape another breaker, and I have to work tonight 'cause I'm late work. Hey, I want to run away and don't look back, to a hiding place. I just want to free myself alive and never be the same girl. But I can't escape another breaker, and I have to work tonight 'cause I'm late work.
Thank you guys for tuning up to the end. I hope this video was helpful. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Bye.